Hi everybody, this is Connie AZ21. Welcome to my channel. We're going to do a sneak peek, and it is called Forest Pumpkin, and there's actually 2 canvases, and they're identical. They are, let's see here, looks like 22 3/4 centimeters by 22 3/4 centimeters. 8 9/8. I would say 9 inches. It's a folderol. The symbols are really clear and easy to read. I think you can see those. Got 2 sets of drills. These are oranges and red. Let's see. They have the DMC number. These are all autumn colors. Anyway, I'm going to get started on these here in a couple of days. I don't believe I'll get these done right away. At least not both of them. We'll do one. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you've subscribed, thank you so very much. If you haven't, yeah, it would be nice if you join me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, put them in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you. Alright? Have a wonderful evening.